We're at Mr. Anthony Sanders. This is the roof. These are the shingles that he has over here. They are 39. They don't make 3 tabs like this anymore. 12 3/4 with a reveal of just right at 6. When we take a standard shingle that we're used to using all the time, you can see how if I put it directly in line, it would reveal some of this black that's over here. But the most important thing is this is how short we are. So if I replaced one shingle, I'd be completely off as far as any type of matching. Mr. Anthony Sanders again. These are the areas that completely got blown up, and we removed those. This is the area that was completely standing up, and that one right here we got as well. Over here, up there, what's happening with these ones is it looks like they have a weird crack at the top, and that's probably where Paul Abbott, he did the repair attempt, the brittle test, I'm sorry. You can see areas where it's cracked through here. If you look at this is actually a shingle right here that would have to be replaced. This is where our access to our nail would have to be, is right here. This is how much it allows us to pick it up so that we have full swing access. This is how you can see the nail is revealed over here. So we'd have to pretty much, you can see that the nail's got slightly a little bit of rust in order to let us know how much, but we can lift it and it looks like it did have some contact. This is where we're at, and if we drop it initially, for example, if you look at it and you leave it, you don't see anything. But the more that, if I go just slightly with my hand like this, you see that crack that's happening at the top. And because this is not flexible, it's more like hard. It just sits like a hard board type of thing. And it's not allowing the shingle to be pliable, it's just a crack type of thing. That's why we see areas like this, and we see the shingle cracking instead of creasing. And this is the same thing that we're seeing here at the bottom. It's these areas, weird crack through those, the same thing. And it's happening on the entire slope. I think this is probably the only one that doesn't have it. But even here at the bottom, if we go, just saw another one, same thing. This is the side that got attacked most by wind, and you can see that when it creased, it's got a crease, and then here it's just torn like a crack. And that's the problem with these shingles, and we can't find the match for it. Again, for Mr. Anthony Sanders, this is a full shingle right here, and this is the biggest one that we can find right now, where we put it lining up over here. Okay, this is lined up completely on that side, and when you come to this side, this is how short we are, which doesn't make sense. Come on, there it is. So for Mr. Anthony Sanders, that's sitting completely flushed on that side, and this one is that much bigger, and we can't find this shingle anywhere. They're all a little bit shorter than what we have on the roof. Another example, if we look there, it's completely in line, and here too short.